What's up everyone, welcome to my shop, and today's review is on Fenix flashlights. This is the Fenix E05, the Fenix E12, and the Fenix UC35. All of these flashlights are over 3 years old, and all of them have been used a lot. This one has probably gotten the most usages because I use it all winter when I'm putting the chickens to bed. I also use this one on darker nights because it's much brighter. But this one, like if I'm going out at dusk, so the first part of my chicken chores will be in daylight, but by the time I'm almost finished my chicken chores, I'm going to need the flashlight. I'll use this one. So this one runs on a standard AAA battery. I use rechargeable AAA batteries because it chews through batteries really fast when you got it on the third brightness setting. This one runs on AA batteries, and this one has a special rechargeable battery, 3500 milliamp hour Fenix 18650 3.6 volt battery. And this one charges with a USB. Just stick it in there, and then when you do have it in there, you have to turn it on, and this will turn red. So these flashlights are really tough. All of them can be submerged underwater for a certain amount of time. This one has been through the dryer a couple of times and the washer machine, and I've dropped it in the chicken waterers quite often, and it still works. So this one has 3 settings. All you do is just turn it 3 times to get to the highest setting. I believe it's 85 lumens or something on the highest setting. This one is 130 lumens on the highest setting, and to get to the highest setting you just turn it on once with the button back here, and then you press it twice and a third time to get to the highest setting. This one has 5 brightnesses and an emergency flash, so you just press this little button and hold it on and you get this blinking. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now this is so bright that if you are outside and you put your hand like that, it will almost blind you and you won't be able to see anything. So I just use it on second or third brightness, and it's enough to see quite far. I've no idea the runtime on this one, but I do know that on the highest setting this one will run for an hour and a half. I mean 30 minutes or something. And I believe it will run for 15 hours on the lowest 8 lumens setting, which is not very bright, but it's enough. For this one, there's accessories you can get. You can get an accessory that will mount it to your bike, or you can get a headband that you can put it on, which would probably be really useful. But if you had it on the highest setting, it might get in your eyes a bit. I don't know because I don't have that, but it would be a nice thing to have. So I hope you enjoyed this review, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.